Introducing the Automatic Foam Dispenser by Perk Bathing Sensation. This innovative device dispenses the perfect amount of foam every time, eliminating waste and ensuring a consistently luxurious experience. With its easy-to-install wall-mount hook, this sleek dispenser effortlessly blends into any decor. It has a touch sensor switch on the front side. Long press this switch till you see a blue light. After that, all you need to do is put your hand beneath the sensor and the foam will automatically dispense on your hand. Long press the switch again to turn the dispenser off. Here is the USB-C type port to insert a cable for charging. Need a refill? No problem, the handy refill cone makes topping up your foam liquid quick and mess-free. Our premium rechargeable technology means you only need to charge once for an entire month of worry-free performance. Its energy-efficient design supports sustainable living without compromising style or functionality. The Automatic Foam Dispenser by Perk Bathing Sensation isn't just a product, it's a lifestyle transformation.